In today's video, we are going to show you how to create a live trading account on GatesFX. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials, and right on the dashboard you would see there is 3 tabs with a plus button that gives you the ability to open a demo account, open a live account, and deposit funds. Of course, we're gonna choose the open a live account. If you do, you will be forwarded here wherein you need to select a category, okay, if you want it. In the account category, there is a drop-down menu wherein you can select from a MetaTrader 5 or a trade blocker depending on your preferences. Let's say we're gonna choose MetaTrader 5. Click the continue button. This will forward you to selecting the account type, which is it gonna be a raw ECN account, which requires a $500 minimum deposit, or in our case, we're just gonna choose a standard or STP account. Click the continue button. Now, on the drop down menu for leverage, you can choose from 1 to 500, 1 to 400 until 1:1. It depends, it's up to you, alright? It's a matter of preferences. For the currency, you can choose your currency, but right now it's a default on USD, and click the continue button. Alright? And then from here, for the confirmation, just click the continue button. And basically, that's how you create. Now your account has been successfully created. You'll have the ability to deposit funds to start trading. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next video.